In this video, I'm going to show you how to use dark mode app icons on your iPhone. So if you want to switch to the dark mode app icons and use them, so see here you can do it. So on your home screen here, so what you need to tap and hold on your home screen and go to the edit mode where your apps start to wiggle. So once you get to this mode here, click on the edit option which is on your top left there, and from there you will see there's a customize option there. Tap on the customize option. Okay, when you tap on the customization, in order to get into the dark mode app icons, is click on the dark option here. So there is a dark option. If you tap on it, you will see that the app icons all become dark. Okay, and in addition to that, you can also there is a little sun icon on your left there, so that will make your apps like more sunnier or more brighter or darker. So if you want more darker, you can enable that as well. And apart from that, you can also adjust the app sizes. So on your right side here, you can make the apps like much bigger or smaller. So how you want to, you can change that. And once you're done with that, just tap outside the screen and you'll see that your app icons are all now dark, and you can now use your phone with the dark app icons. And that's basically pretty much this.